Building a WooCommerce website is easy, but pulling out sales from there, it's really hard. Especially when you want to transfer your visitors into your customers, it's really challenging. But what if I tell you about a WooCommerce plugin that will help you to grow your business without any prior hassle? Can you guess what's the plugin? It's a WooCommerce Product Options, and it's made by Barn2. It's an advanced product add-ons plugin that allows the store admin to set multiple product options, so customers can effortlessly personalize WooCommerce products and choose extra options while placing the order. In short, you can add multiple options in the product pricing area. Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about a new plugin from WooCommerce. The name of the plugin is WooCommerce Product Options. We will talk about this plugin's use case, features, and of course, our own opinion. Before diving into the features and use cases, let's check an example into the plugin. Here's the single product page before using WooCommerce Product Option, and here the same single product page with the plugin. Don't you think it looks better? Because with this option, you can generate a lot of revenue from here. Now, let's talk about the features and use cases of this plugin. The WooCommerce Product Option plugins comes with multiple advanced features. They have 16 plus field type like checkbox, radio buttons, drop-downs, file uploads, color, image swatches, and many more. For any product, you will have full flexibility to add options. You can use a single or multiple type options in each product. Then the plugin brings 8 price options like adding a flat fee, quantity or character-based fee, increasing or decreasing price by a percentage, or creating a custom price calculator. So many options. So you can set different pricing for different type of users. It's really interesting. Next, they have a very special thing. They have used the conditional logic option to set dependencies using conditional logic to show or hide specific options based on the customer selection. You will also get advanced rules to set default values and required fields, allow decimal numbers, and set minimum and maximum quantity rules. This feature is handy for controlling sales for each product. Last but not the least, you will get multiple sections to create advanced product configurations structured into sections with headings, image, and other static contents. Even if you track user behaviors, then you can design the product page that is applicable for the majority of the visitors. WooCommerce also offers a lot of great functions for WordPress e-commerce sites, but still, there are many places that needs extra features. And one of the most demanding places is the ability to get extra product options. Barn2 plugin brings the solution for you. The price of the plugin starts from $99 with a 30 days money-back guarantee. Wow! The official link is available in the description below. You can click and check the latest update from there. As I told you before, bringing new customers and then converting them is a long process. But when you have customers, you can just use this plugin to give them a better user experience. So we will suggest you to give it a try about this plugin. That's all about the video. Stay tuned with us because we will bring more amazing videos in future for you people. Till then, bye.